If you're a coder, developer, or just tech curious, stop scrolling because the future of coding is here, and it's changing fast. Let's talk about what coding will look like in 2025, and how you can stay ahead of the curve. AI is writing code, low-code platforms are everywhere, and people are wondering, is traditional coding dead? Spoiler alert, it's not, but it is evolving. And if you don't adapt, you'll be left behind. In 2025, coders aren't just writing lines, they're collaborating with AI, managing large-scale systems, and building smarter, more scalable solutions. Tools like ChatGPT, Copilot, and Replit AI are speeding up development, while Python, Rust, and TypeScript are dominating the job market. Cloud, AI, cybersecurity, and automation are the new pillars of tech careers. And guess what? The best devs are the ones who learn fast, adapt constantly, and build more than just code, they build solutions. So here's the deal. If you want to future-proof your skills, subscribe now, hit like, and comment below. I'm ready for 2025. I'll be sharing the tools, tutorials, and tech updates that actually matter. Stay smart, stay coding.